IKEA Kallsup Bluetooth Speaker. I've been using the IKEA Kallsup Bluetooth speaker for a while now, and this is my honest, non-sponsored review. I'll break down what it does, where it works well, and a few limitations so you can decide if it fits your setup. The IKEA Kallsup is a very small, budget-friendly Bluetooth speaker designed for simple, everyday listening. It's not trying to compete with premium audio brands. The goal here is straightforward wireless sound in a compact, affordable package, with the added option to pair multiple units together. Starting with the positives, the biggest one is price. This is one of the most affordable Bluetooth speakers you can get, and that changes how you think about using it. After using it around the house, what stood out is how easy it is to justify placing one in different rooms without overthinking the cost. The compact design is another strong point. It's lightweight, easy to move around, and doesn't take up space. I've used it on a desk, bedside table, and even in the kitchen, and it blends in without feeling bulky or distracting. It's very much a grab-and-go type of speaker. The multi-speaker pairing is also a nice touch. At first, I didn't expect much from this feature, but connecting multiple units does make the setup more flexible. It works well if you want to spread sound across a room rather than rely on a single speaker. That said, there are clear trade-offs. Sound quality is limited, which is expected at this size and price. It's fine for podcasts, background music, or casual listening, but you won't get deep bass or detailed audio. If you're used to higher-end speakers, you'll notice the difference right away. The feature set is also very basic. There's no app control, no smart features, and no rugged build for outdoor use. It feels more like a simple indoor speaker than something designed for travel or heavy use. Even the multi-speaker feature, while useful, doesn't replace a proper stereo setup. It adds coverage, but not true depth or separation. Overall, the IKEA Kallsup Bluetooth speaker is best for people who want a simple, low-cost audio solution for everyday use. It works well in small spaces where convenience matters more than sound quality. But if you're looking for richer audio or more advanced features, you'll probably want to look at higher-end options. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews.